Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my SuperM 1 inspired design. Start off by painting your index nail light pink, your middle and ring fingernails black, your pinky nail sheer, and your thumbnail gray. For the first nail, we're going to be recreating this scene with Kai. Make a diagonal line across the nail and fill the left side in with peach. Make a red line a couple of millimeters to the left and thicken it a bit near the top. Next, make a white rectangle to the left of the red line. Use light green, yellow, orange, and medium green to make a heat signature near the bottom of the building. Use a dark green to outline the peach section and to make some vertical and horizontal lines on the building. Use a couple of shades of pink, black, orange, and red to shade the side of the building. For the sky, paint some bright pink along the red line and then drag it to the left. Try not to use too much polish or the drag marks will look too solid. Repeat with a darker pink. Use white to make a little figure on the side of the building and then add some shadows with green. Use a medium green to make windows on the white building. Add a pink line underneath them and then outline the windows with light green. Sealing your design with a top coat. Make a triangle with chrome polish. Use a dark gray to add another side to the triangle to make it look 3D. Add some lines to the front with green and to the side with black. Sealing your design with a top coat. This next nail is inspired by the members' black and green outfits. Use a lime green to make random lines all over the nail, leaving some spots bare. You might be able to see with this lighting that I blocked some sections of the nail off with black polish beforehand so that I knew what areas to avoid painting on. Use a light green to add a couple more lines and to fill up any unwanted bare spots. Sealing your design with a top coat. To To imitate Timon's green face paint, use glittery green polish to make some blobs on the right side of the nail. Sealing your design with a top coat. On the last nail, use black paint or polish to make SuperM's logo. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!